In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate income and clean up accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. If you've noticed that your income looks higher than it should, or your accounts receivable balance doesn't make sense, there's a good chance duplicate bank transactions are part of the problem. These duplicates often happen when transactions are both manually entered and then also brought in through the bank feed, or when a transaction gets matched incorrectly. Cleaning these up helps make sure your reports are accurate and that you're not over-reporting income. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. From the left-hand navigation menu, look for the section labeled Transactions. Click on that and then choose Bank Transactions. Depending on your version, it might also be called Bank Feed or Banking, but you're looking for the page that shows your connected bank and credit card accounts along the top. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, select the specific bank account that has the duplicate income entries. You'll see each connected account listed in a tab format. Click on the one where you know the problem exists so that only those transactions are displayed. Next, make sure you're on the For Review tab for that account. This tab shows all the transactions that have been pulled in from the bank but haven't yet been fully added to your books. This is usually where duplicates sit before they're accepted into QuickBooks, so it's the best place to catch and clean them up. Now, look through the list for any duplicate transactions. These are usually identical or very similar in date, amount, and payee. When you find them, tick the checkbox on the left side of each duplicate transaction you want to remove. Take your time here and double-check that you're truly selecting duplicates and not unique entries, because the next step will remove them from your workflow. After you've selected all the duplicates, go to the top or bottom of the list and choose Exclude. This tells QuickBooks that you don't want these specific bank feed items to be added to your books. They'll move out of the For Review tab so they're no longer in your way when you're categorizing and matching income. To permanently clean things up, go to the Excluded tab. Here you'll see everything you've excluded from review. Select those same duplicate transactions again, then choose Delete. This fully removes them from the bank feed area, and they won't accidentally be added back later. Once that's done, your bank feed will be cleaner, and you'll be one big step closer to accurate income and accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online.